Hey, what's up? I'm Andrew Bacon, and today I want to show you how I took this 3-foot long piece of 2x4 and made an awesome cornhole board hanger on today's episode of Field Treasure Designs. So after seeing these for sale for over $30 on Amazon, I thought, no thanks. I'll go ahead and build my own out of literally a 2x4. So that's all you need. There are 3 cuts here. I measured 1 at 12 inches and then 2 at 7.5 inches. This is all you need. I wanted a chamfered look on the top hanger, so I went ahead and adjusted my table saw to 45 degrees. And carefully I pushed it through and didn't lose any fingers. I cut a 45-degree angle on the miter saw for the bottom bracket as well. While I was there, I cut a 1/4 inch piece for my rotating stop that I'm going to use later. Next, it was time to assemble. So here I'm cutting what's called countersink holes with my drill bit so that that screw head can fit inside the board and be flush. These are the 2 holes that are going to attach the hanger to the wall, so they have to be a little bit deeper so that that screw can go all the way through into the wall and into the studs. Next, these are the 2 hangers that I'm going to attach on the main board. First, I'm attaching the top to the bottom brace. I'm using the same method of the countersink hole so that that screw head can be flush. Then I grab some wood glue to apply. This is what's really going to hold this together. Then I use my 2.5 inch screws and screwed them together. Boom! Now I just need to attach it to the main board. Since the hanger is going to be secured from the back, I turned over the board, traced the lines so that I would know where to drill my holes to put my countersink holes in. Then I just drilled 2 holes per board, so 4 total. Next, I drilled holes all the way through since that countersink bit doesn't go all the way to the end of the board. Then I applied some more wood glue. Then I screwed in the 4 2.5 inch screws. Sweet, good to go. Okay, so there's 2 holes right there that the screws are going to go through and mount this to the wall. But what's important is that that screw has enough thread to get through the 2x4, through the drywall, and then attach to the stud. So that gives you an idea of how far in you need to do the countersink hole to make sure that that screw can go through. So here I'm going to add just a little more depth to allow that screw to go through. Now all I have to do now is attach my little rotating stop that I thought would be a nice little addition. Once the cornhole boards are hung, this can rotate to allow those boards not to fall back off by accident. To attach it, I just did a little countersink so that that screw head would be flush, and then I grabbed a 1-inch number 8 screw that I just gently screwed in until it just stopped so that there would be enough room to rotate it. Yeah, looks good. Next, I just gently added the screws so that they would be ready to screw in. Now it's time to mount it to the wall. So I grabbed my stud buddy and I found the stud and made a few lines. Then I leveled it up to make sure, and I punched 1 screw in, and then after that I grabbed my level again just to make sure it was all straight. Then you can punch in the next screw and good to go. So I was initially worried that it would be able to hold the weight of the cornhole board, so I figured let's just test it out with a 200-pound dude.
Just so you can see. Solid as a rock.
Haha, well, I guess we're good to go. Hey, if you want to know how I made these cornhole boards, don't forget to check out my video on that on my channel. Hey, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay connected for all my future videos. Thanks so much, and we'll see you later.